Hello. Sometimes we go to a restaurant or in a cafe and we struggle to communicate. So, today we will learn how to order in Bangla. Let's go.
থ্যাংক ইউ। আমরা তো দুইজন আছি। ও রাইস জাতীয় কিছু খাবে।
ফিশ অ্যান্ড চিপসে রাইস হবে না।
ফিশ অ্যান্ড চিপসে রাইস থাকবে না, বাকি সবগুলোতে রাইস থাকবে। ওকে ওকে, ঠিক আছে। গ্রিল ডোরি ফিশ উইথ রাইস অ্যান্ড ভেজিটেবল দেবেন, ওইটা একটা দেবেন। আর আমার জন্য একটা হচ্ছে টিমক চিকেন।
ম্যাম ড্রিঙ্কস কিছু লাগবে? কোল্ড কফি ওর জুস?
আর ড্রিঙ্কস শুধু মিনারেল ওয়াটার লাগবে।
ম্যাম পানিটা কি ঠান্ডা লাগবে নাকি রুম টেম্পারেচার?
রুম টেম্পারেচার।
ম্যাম খাবার কি একসাথে দিয়ে দেব নাকি যেটা আগে হবে সেটা আগে দিয়ে দেব?
না, একসাথেই দেবেন। কতক্ষণ লাগবে?
ম্যাম 15 থেকে 20 মিনিট সময় লাগবে।
আচ্ছা, ঠিক আছে। ওকে, লেট মি গিভ ইউ দ্য নেমস অফ দিস থিংস ইন বাংলা। এটা স্যুপের চামচ, because I am going to use this for soup. This is rice in Bangla. এটা ভাত। এগুলো সবজি, এগুলো সবজি। মাছ, এটা দড়ি মাছ। এটা স্যুপ, এটা স্যুপ। হট স্যুপ, গরম স্যুপ। One important point to remember: this is a spoon. This sentence in Bangla will be eta ekta chamoch. You see, the word is and a, these two words are a little pale because we do not use is or a in Bangla when we use these types of sentences. So whenever you are saying something like this is a table, this is a chair, this is a spoon, you will have to say eta table, eta chamoch, eta chair. Okay, so that means this is and a in Bangla will be omitted. Now when in a sentence the word this is used as a subject, it will be translated as eta, but we use another word for this if it is used as a modifier. Let's have a look at that. For example, this sentence says this spoon is beautiful. So here the subject is spoon, not this. This is modifying the word spoon. That's why we will say ei chamochti sundor. You already know that is omitted in Bangla. That's why we are not going to say hoy. The literal translation of is will be hoy. So most of the time we do not use this word is in a sentence. So it will be ei chamochti sundor. Now you may ask, why am I not saying ei chamoch sundor? A for this, chamoch for spoon, because you know chamoch is the Bangla for spoon. So ei chamoch sundor. That would be the good Bangla translation for this sentence. Why am I adding T with chamoch? Okay, you can say ei chamoch sundor, but that will not sound natural, that will not sound like a Bengali. People will easily understand that you are a foreigner. That's why you are saying ei chamoch sundor. It sounds so artificial. So a native speaker of Bangla will add this article T with the noun. So whenever we are using a with a noun, we will definitely use T or ta with that noun. T or ta means the, so it's the article. Okay, so instead of saying ei chamoch sundor, you will have to say ei chamochti sundor. আচ্ছা, ড্রিঙ্কস লাগবে।
ম্যাম আপনার ড্রিঙ্কসের অর্ডারটা কি হবে, হট আর কোল্ড?
ঠান্ডা কিছু নিতে চাচ্ছি। আমি একটা ওরিও শেক নেব।
ওকে।
তুমি কি নেবে?
ব্লুবেরি মোহিতো নেব।
আচ্ছা, ও একটা ব্লুবেরি মোহিতো নেবে।
ওকে। ওকে ম্যাম, তাহলে আপনার অর্ডারটা হচ্ছে একটা ওরিও শেক, একটা ব্লুবেরি মোহিতো ম্যাম। আর কি লাগবে?
না, আর কিছু আপাতত লাগবে না, থ্যাংক ইউ।
ঠিক আছে, থ্যাংক ইউ ম্যাম।
Now, the most important expression that we need to remember for today's class is the word lagbe. If we want to say something like I need juice or I need a glass of juice, then we might say ekta juice lagbe. The word lagbe is very frequently used in Bangla, and when you want to express your need, when you want to say that you need something, you will use this word lagbe, which means will be needed. So literal translation, word for word translation for this is like ekta for one, juice for juice, and lagbe is for will be needed. So the form is future, but by this word we mean that I need something, but we say it in a passive future form. So literally the sentence will sound something like one juice will be needed. In other words, we can say I need one juice or I need a glass of juice. So in Bangla we can say ekta juice lagbe. So will be is omitted because you already know is, will be, these are sometimes omitted in Bangla. Is omitted most of the time, and will be is used, but here the lagbe is already in future form. That's why when you know that the lagbe is in future form, you do not need to use will be with this. You can also say ek glass juice lagbe, which will mean one glass of juice will be needed. So I just literally translated this: egg glass for one glass, juice for juice, and lagbe is for will be needed. Here's a test for you. So keeping the previous sentence in mind, you will have to solve this sentence. You will have to translate this sentence into Bangla. 1 cup of coffee will be needed. That means I need a cup of coffee, or we need a cup of coffee. You will give me the Bangla for that. Now, another test for you. If you remember what the waiter has said to me once he received the names of the drinks I ordered, he repeated the order. He said, ekta Oreo shake, ekta blueberry mojito, ar kichu lagbe? So he said 1 Oreo shake, 1 blueberry mojito, and then there's a gap. So you will have to write this ar kichu lagbe with the English letter here, and also you will have to translate. You will have to guess the meaning of this ar kichu lagbe. So yeah, that's your test number 2. So you will have to write these 2 answers in the comment section. Now let's have a look at the list of words that we have used in today's class. The first word, chamoch, spoon, bhat, rice, pani, water, soup, shobji, vegetable, eta, this, ota, that, egulo, these, eigulo, also these. So egulo and eigulo, these are the same words, but you are just pronouncing it in different ways. It's the same word, egulo, eigulo. Ogulo means those. In the same way, oigulo also means those. Gorom, hot, thanda, cold. Mach means fish.
Excuse me, বিলটা?
এই যে ম্যাম আপনাদের বিলটা।
So yeah, that's it. If you think these lessons are helpful for you and you want to have regular updates from my channel, please press the bell icon and don't forget to subscribe and press the like button as well. See you in the next lesson. Bye.